So it's about now scope of the group that you have chosen in your higher education. You have chosen biomaths and also maths, physics, chemistry with computer science. So in both the groups you will have physics. So physics has, your group has lot of scopes where you can do either your BSc physics or BSc chemistry or BSc botany, zoology. There is one course called as BSc honors. It's a very valid course, but it's a tough course. And then those who are having your biology can move on with BSc optometry, and then computer science group can go with BSc computer science. Then there is a course called BSc statistics, and biomaths group can go with BSc cardiovascular technology. This is upcoming science, which is where you have lot of job opportunities in many hospitals. Then you have your B, all the various streams. You know what are all the various streams engineering has. Then again the same BTech. BTech also has various streams, but this biology students, there was a myth stating that BTech cannot be done. BTech courses where biology group doesn't have any scope. It's not like that. BTech, there is something called as agriculture, BTech agriculture, and also BTech biomedical engineering, which is a valid course. Both of it are very valid course available for biology students. Then B.Arch, you can get into B.Arch. Then naturally by passing through NEET, you can join MBBS, and then you can join without NEET, you can join BSc nursing, B.Pharm, BSc biotechnology. There is some course called as BSc biotechnology, that is also upcoming course. Then if anyone wants to join a navy, a merchant navy, those who want to join as a merchant navy, they can write an NDA entrance exam. National Defence Academy will conduct an exam that you can write exam and directly enter into navy also. And as you are having maths, you can do BBA and proceed your future. Then coming on to, this is all your higher education. Coming to your job opportunities, with any of all such things, with any of all BSc, BBA or anything, you can always write UPSC exam, Union Public Service Commission exam. Prepare for it when you are doing your final years. And you can do any research in any science stream. You can carry out till PhD and then write an exam and enter into DRDO, which is our research and development center for nation. And being a science graduate, you can always get a job in technician in any industry. In nuclear power stations you can get jobs. Even you can enter into ISRO after passing an entrance exam. So all these things are your job opportunities and your higher educations. But for this is what all your goal is. Your ultimate goal is all these things, and I have already taught you or told you what is required to achieve a goal. So plan like that for next 10 years. Let you all have a good future. May God bless you all. All the best for a good future, children. So it's about now scope of the group that you have chosen in your higher education.